What up, sweet gang? It's your girl Rochelle in the building, coming to bring you another great video. And you see the title. I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite treats, cinnamon twists. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Don't forget to like this video, and let's get started. I'm going to be using some wheat noodles, and this is the pack. I'm not even going to try to butcher this name, but it's some wheat twist noodles, and we're going to need a strainer, some cinnamon sugar, a large Ziplock bag. You will need a bowl, some paper towel to be inserted. In a medium saucepan, you're going to add some vegetable oil. Add enough to do like a deep fry of the noodles. And you want to place your pot on medium-high heat. You want to let it get up to temperature. And if you want to test the noodle, you can do so. And you can use some water to test out in your pot. And then once it's ready, then you can begin to apply your noodles. Now, here's a tip. They will bloom fast, so have your strainer ready. So once they begin to bloom, then you're going to remove them carefully, quickly but carefully, and then you're going to place them into your bowl that you have the paper towel in. All right, so here I'm removing the twist and placing them in my bowl. Now I'm going to do this a couple of more times so you can see the process. And please remember, once your grease comes to the heat, when it comes to a high temp, they will bloom fast. So you have to be prepared and be ready. You do not want to burn these. So now you have placed your twist in a bowl. You want to make sure they have drained all of the grease, and then you want to apply them to your Ziploc bag. They should be nice and crunchy, and you're ready to apply your cinnamon sugar into the Ziploc bag. So get in your Ziploc bag. You want to let them cool before you add them. If not, you will melt your Ziploc bag. So be careful, you guys. So adding them to the bag, and then we're going to add our cinnamon sugar, and we will be done with this nice treat. So there you have it, you guys. Rose homemade cinnamon twists. You know, if you ever went to Taco Bell and they've told you they don't sell these anymore, well, here's your chance to make your own, and you will be able to get the supplies listed in my description box. So make sure you visit my description box up under this video to get to those supply links. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you all enjoy and have fun with this treat, because I know I did. All right, it's your girl Ro about to go, but I'll see you all in the next video.